Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to show you how to design a complex cubic model using Rhino 3D. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, there will be valuable insights for you here. So let's get started. I started by creating a box to serve as the base. Next, I drew curves on each face of the box and used the Array Polar tool to streamline the process. After that, I utilized the Offset Curve tool to create an offset. I then removed the extra curves using the Trim command and cut the face of the box with the curves using the Split tool. I used the Array Polar tool again to expedite the copying process. It's important to ensure that the X-shaped surfaces are joined, as we need them to be unified for the next part. Next, I used the Offset Surface tool and turned off the solid mode. I drew the outlines of the faces with curves, though you can also use the Duplicate Border tool for this. Now it's time to use the Sweep to Rails command to fill the space between the surfaces. I repeated these same steps for each side of the shape and then joined all the surfaces of the model. Finally, I added some small details by applying the Fillet Edges command to smooth the edges for a better appearance. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.